Borte Ujin. Borte Ujin was born in 1161 into the Olkunut tribe of Anjurat. At the tender age of 10, her marriage to Genghis Khan was arranged by her father, Dai Sishen, leader of Konirat. Soon after her marriage to the would-be Grand Emperor, she was kidnapped by the tribal rivals, the Merkits, where she remained captive for several months. Borte was later rescued by her husband and then became the Grand Empress of his empire. Many scholars debate that the rescue mission was what drove Genghis Khan to eventually expand his power and empire. Borte was considered an intelligent, beautiful, and fair-complexioned lady. She gave birth to 4 sons and 5 daughters. Her descendants and bloodline played a role in the expansion of the Mongol Empire. She also played a significant role in assisting Genghis Khan's brother in ruling the Mongol homeland. Historical literature describes Borte as a beautiful, poised woman who has a great eye for far-sighted decisions and contributed a lot towards the Mongol Empire. Even though Genghis Khan was arguably the most prolific lover in history and has over 16 million descendants to his DNA, his first and prominent